FAM is now live on Base. You can sign in with Coinbase Wallet, and then you can create your own FAM. FAM is built on top of Party Protocol on Base. It's a front-end client where you can set up your own party built for music. Once you've configured your party, you can then join your party, finalize the party, and once it's been finalized, you're then able to start creating some actions. Inside of FAM, we give you the ability to create 3 unique actions that are not currently available inside of the party app. Today we're going to be collecting a 10 by Latasha. Just paste in the Zora collection address, click add action, and now our proposal is ready to sign. Once you execute the proposal, you can verify inside of Zora that our party has collected that drop. This is how we can do multiplayer music directly on Base using FAM.